What happens to the speed of melting an ice block when we change the shape, material, or colour of the container it is in? And the testable question is, what happens to the melting speed of ice when we change the shape? Our prediction is blocks of ice that are thinner in shape will melt faster because they have more surface area. The materials needed are water, a measuring cup, 4 different vessels, and a platter. Method. Step 1. Fill each vessel with a 1/4 cup of water. Step 2. Place in freezer for 4 hours or until solid. Step 3. Remove each block of ice from the vessel and place on platter. Step 4. Time how long it takes for each block of ice to melt and record results. Step 5. Repeat 3 times. Results. The results for this experiment were recorded using a stopwatch. Results suggested that the prediction was valid as the thinnest ice block, the square, was the first to melt. The last to melt was the rectangular-shaped ice block. Conclusion. The conclusion of this experiment is that the shape of the block of ice affects the melting speed, and that blocks of ice with a higher surface area melt the quickest. Ensuring a fair test. In order to ensure a fair test, it is important that the independent variable, the shape of the ice block, was the only change in the investigation, and that other aspects are controlled as best as possible. In order to achieve this, the same amount of water was added to each vessel, all ice blocks were frozen solid, and all were kept in the same location while melting. Scientific concepts. The scientific concepts underpinning this investigation include understanding of the relationship between heat energy and surface area, engaging working scientifically skills. In planning and conducting this investigation, students explore their environment and develop their ability to plan and conduct a fair test. Students work collaboratively and individually to determine the most accurate means of collecting and recording results. Students are given license when it comes to collecting and organizing data from observations. Students may be given opportunities for sharing and comparing their results with their peers to improve accuracy and deepen understanding. Students represent their findings using drawings and written descriptions and may convert their results into a graph. Students may choose to apply the understandings they have gained as a result of this investigation to designing an ice block with a lower melting speed for young children to enjoy during the warmer months. This investigation meets Stage 2 physical world outcomes as students describe the effects of heat energy in regards to the melting of blocks of ice.